gonna explode. Oh, Zoya! Hi, I'm Alex, and today I'm joined by a very special guest, my girlfriend.
Hi, I'm Zoya.
And today we're gonna be swapping some of our favorite snacks. I actually brought some of my favorite snacks from my childhood.
I also brought snacks from my childhood, but they kind of carried over into adulthood as well.
So after each round, we'll decide if we want to keep our snacks or swap them. Well, let's get snacking. Here we are with snack number 1. Are you ready?
Are you ready?
I guess.
All right.
Ta-da! This is called an It's It, and it is a legend of San Francisco. I'm from Northern California. It was made in 1928, and it's just like a staple of San Francisco history. What did you bring?
Mine was probably around before 1928 because it's dried mulberries. Persians are a huge fan of dried fruit, but nothing is as common as dried mulberries, and we call them toot. Yeah, it's
That's so cute. Let's start with mine since it's ice cream, so it might melt. I think you're really gonna like this because it's actually 2 oatmeal cookies.
I do like oatmeal cookies.
Sandwich with ice cream in the middle and then dipped in chocolate.
Okay, cheers.
Cheers. It's a little hard. It's it!
Is it it?
Honestly,
It's something. I
it's
don't know.
okay. I feel like I remember them being better than this. Back in the 1928s.
Probably was it in 1928.
But like as a kid, this was so delicious.
It was it.
Now is it?
So very cute. Good job, San Francisco, 1928.
Yeah. Time for the toot.
But we usually eat them with tea. Cheers to your toot.
Toot. It's kind of like a raisin. I don't love raisins.
It's not really like a raisin. Maybe you could put the mulberries in your sandwich, that would help it be edible.
It's good. They're good. Would I keep my snack or swap it for yours? It's it was okay, but I think I'd rather have the mulberries just because these would just take up freezer space in my house.
I would keep my own just because there's very limited freezer space. So if it's gonna be an ice cream, it's gotta be like the best.
On to the next round. Let's see what we're snacking on next. Woo! Both drinks.
Is that Capri Sun?
Of course it's Capri
What
Sun.
flavor?
The beverage of our
Oh.
childhood. Look at this pouch. Strawberry kiwi is the one we have. These were so iconic. Had them after every soccer game, before every soccer. What kind of parenting style is that?
Do you think it'd be a good mixer?
Wow, I have not thought about that.
Maybe punch a hole, empty some of it out, pour in some happy juice, seal it back up.
Juice. This would be a great mixer.
So I brought something that I don't want to mix with alcohol at all. This is called Dur. It's a Persian yogurt soda. Usually you drink it with meals or sometimes by itself. As I say this out loud, I realize maybe it sounds a little different, but it is liquefied yogurt. And this one in particular is a mint flavor as well.
Ooh.
And then it's carbonated.
I'm down. That sounds kind of good. Interesting. Way different than a Capri Sun. All right, let's swap.
Sometimes at the very bottom, the yogurt will kind of collect, so you want to give it like a good shake before you open it.
It's carbonated. Is it gonna explode? Oh, Zoya! Ah, it smells like yogurt. Really salty. I could see it being really refreshing yogurt, a little bit sweet. And I even like the mint, but like it is so salty that it's a little hard.
Yeah, this one's pretty salty.
Salty.
I actually don't know when the last time I had Capri Sun was.
There you go. Look at that.
Oh my god, that is exactly like I remember. It is so sweet.
Oh my god. Maybe
Yeah.
we should mix the two.
No.
It's clear! It is clear!
Look at that.
Bubbling up. Maybe this is like a reaction like Mentos and Coke. No.
It seemed like a terrible idea, but I wanted you to go through with it so I could see what happened.
Well, I did. Are you gonna try it?
Absolutely not.
Actually, I don't want either of these snacks. I'm gonna swap them both.
If I had to pick one, I'd keep the dual because
Okay.
at least it's interesting, but maybe just like a different flavor.
Well, let's see what's next as I clean this up. All right, it's time for snack number 3. Ready?
I'm ready.
Set,
Go.
snack. Woo! I'm assuming you've had Swedish fish before.
I think once.
What?
Yeah.
I love Swedish fish. They're just like kind of like sweet, fruity, sour-ish candy. Red is the best flavor, so they sell them in packs of red.
Okay, I brought a small piece of lavoshak, which is Persian fruit leather. This one is pomegranate flavor. I did you a favor and brought you a kind of bite-sized piece. Traditionally, it comes on this long like sheet, basically wedged between plastic, and you have to kind of to peel the plastic.
Like a fruit roll-up?
Yes, but those are designed for the plastic to come off, whereas Lava Shack plastic just like doesn't come off. So you will inevitably eat some of the plastic.
Oh my god. I remember Swedish fish has multiple colors.
I don't remember them being.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Guys, I swear, please let me know. Comment below if you guys remember that Swedish fish were multicolored. It smells like soap.
Oh my god.
Mmm. They're so good. I love the texture of them. Like not as hard as a gummy bear.
You like these?
Yeah.
Oh.
You don't like them?
No. It kind of has a licorice taste.
I'm not getting that. All right, let's try yours. Because I have a feeling you're complaining about this getting stuck in your teeth. I have a feeling that this is going to get stuck in my teeth.
It will get stuck in your teeth.
Why is everything so salty? Very sour. I don't hate it. I like it. I would say it tastes more natural than this. Now, like trying this, it tastes a little bit like chemically. Honestly, it might be good to combine them.
Do it. I'm gonna try it too.
Mmm, that is good.
It's delicious.
It's really good. We've completely changed the frame of this video into just combining snacks together and see if they work. All you have to do is take your little Swedish fish, put some Lava Shack on there. You got yourself a great snack. I guess this means we'll take both. We'll keep and we'll swap. We are ready for our final snack. Are you ready?
I think so.
Woo! Zoya, have you had these before? York peppermint patties.
I don't think I've ever had.
These are like a love-hate for me. Definitely a ton of nostalgia. I feel like I would eat these at my grandparents' house. They hold a lot of memories.
I brought Gaz.
So you brought a toot and a gas.
Gaz has been around for a long time, and it's a very traditional Persian snack. It's a nougat with pistachios inside.
Ooh, that sounds good to me.
I think you're gonna like this one a lot.
Yeah. All right, let me break this puppy open.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh,
It's like toothpaste.
literally tastes like toothpaste and chocolate. My favorite combinations. This is odd.
I do like mint, and I like mint chocolate, but this ain't it. This ain't
ain't it.
Okay, let me try yours. I'm excited for this one. My mouth is overpowered by mint flavor. It looks like a marshmallow. Mmm, that's yummy. Chewy, soft, not too sweet. The nuts are a nice touch. Am I getting like a little bit of rose water?
You might.
It's a classic Persian thing, huh?
Put rose water and everything.
You
Gaz.
had me at Gaz.
You had me at Gaz.
I'm definitely swapping my York for the Gaz.
I'm gonna keep my Gaz as much as I loved the York.
And there you have it. Zoya, thank you so much for bringing some really delicious snacks.
You're welcome. Thank you for bringing snacks.
And maybe we'll do this again.
Maybe not.
Until next time, if you want a real snack, follow me on Instagram, Nature Treasure.
And if you want an even better snack, you can follow me at Zoya Roya.
Bye.